Good day. So it's me, Mikey, and I'm here to teach you how to post your contents and graphics in your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and the likes, and how to schedule them. Okay. So if you have multiple posts and you'd like to post in advance, or you are lazy or have a busy schedule, now this is a good way to make posting easier and faster. So there are so many schedulers app in the internet nowadays, but I prefer this application because it's user friendly. Yeah, and this was the scheduler app that we used before when we were on the training with the DICT. So it was a digital marketing training program, so we were able to utilize this application, and this was introduced to us by our trainer. So yeah, I highly recommend this application. So it means that it's easy and convenient to use, and this is called Hootsuite. So that's HOOTSUITE. So Hootsuite. So you can download this, or you can go to your browser and just search for Hootsuite. Yeah, and you can actually sign up for free. Yeah, no monthly subscription. You can use it, yeah, for free. And now I'm going to walk you through on how to schedule a post. So let's get started, guys. Okay. So first things first, you have to open your social media platforms. As what I have mentioned earlier, um, you can open your Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, Twitter, and the likes. So you just have to prepare all of these applications. Then let's start posting. Okay. So actually, I use Canva for my graphics. So I have already created one. So let's go to all your designs. And also, I am using a Loom app for me to screen record this tutorial. So yes, so this is the Loom application. So you can also use this in your future um, projects or um, activities. So yeah, so let's try this one. I know, let's use it this one. Okay, so this is just only a trial. Actually, this have been posted already on my social media platforms, but let's just try it so that you'll be able to see how this works. Okay, so let's try this page one. So just have to click the download icon, then um, page one on the then done, then download, preparing your design. So it has been downloaded successfully. So just need to go to the Hootsuite. So since this is a scheduler application, then you can choose when or what time you'd like to post this content. So since today is October 18, so if I'm planning to post this today, so let's try 10. So let's try 10 a.m. 10 a.m. today. Then just have to create post. Okay, so then just have to choose the platforms that you'd like to. Let's say reconnect. Connect. Just have to reconnect or sync this.